Hey, how you guys doing? Mikkel, Dybvig, ROBART Realty Group with Keller Williams Group 1. Just want to take you guys on a quick tour of my newest listing out here in Fernley. We're at 892 Joe Marie, just off Cottonwood here in Fernley. I'm out here with my assistant, Kian, and I'm going to take you guys on a quick tour. 5 bedroom, 3-car garage, 3,500 square feet, 2.5 baths. It's got RV parking, a couple fireplaces, beautiful home. So we're going to start here. We are in the living room area, the first of the fireplaces we're going to see. Now, we're going to pass through the butler's pantry, because who doesn't want a butler? We're going to pass through here into our kitchen. So if you're worried about kitchen storage, this is the kitchen for you.
With a huge island.
Look how big this island is. Yeah. Pantries are super important to me. If you've ever looked at homes with me, you know I'm a big pantry guy, so I'm going to walk into this pantry. Still walking into this pantry. This is how big this pantry is. Oh yeah. Pretty big, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, lead the way. Take us out.
Okay. Then we're going to be heading over here.
We got a living room there with a second fireplace.
With a closet that goes pretty deep in. Great for a lot of storage. Then, this house does have a lot of storage. So head over here.
This kid's a natural.
Has also a bunch of storage.
All right, great for locking your younger brother and sister in.
Right here is the garage door.
One of the garages. There's actually a double bay and a single bay.
Then here's a bathroom with a sink.
Got to have a sink in the bathroom there. Wash your hands. Wash your hands, kids. Hey, Pam.
And then we'll head over here.
Oh, we're still following Kian.
And we'll go over here. Look at the backyard. And then we'll also head over here just so you have a better view. A lot of windows in this house.
A lot of natural light.
And then also some trees growing.
Mm-hmm.
Some grass over there. And then
fake grass too. Oh, okay, now I'm going to take you guys upstairs. I'm not going to try to walk backwards here.
I'll walk backwards.
You're not holding the phone. Why do you have to walk backwards? Now you're just showing off. So like I said, 5 bedrooms. Another great thing about the layout of this house is there's actually, he has gotten big. There's a laundry room with a sink upstairs. It's got a gas and electric hookup. So depending on your dryer preference, this house has you covered. Bedroom number 1
originally
here.
To be a living room.
This is your bedroom views there. Some beautiful mountain views. You got windows on a couple sides.
And the closet right here.
Oh, and the closet. Gotta show them the closet. Closets are important. We get into the second bedroom here. This one, we actually have a walk-in closet. See, he just walked in. And once again, we got mountain views.
A ton of mountain views.
All right, where are we going next? Let's take a quick look at this laundry room. Tell us about this laundry room.
It has a sink. Every laundry room needs to have a sink. It has a ton of cabinets and a gas thing.
Gas and electric hookup. All right.
And then also right here, if you like balconies to the stairs, there's that. And one right here. And then we'll head over here to the bathroom with 2 sinks. And then we'll head over here with the toilet and the shower.
All right, gotta have a toilet, gotta have a shower.
And we'll be heading right over here.
Okay, bedroom number 3 here.
With also kind of a good view of the mountains back there. And a closet.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll be heading over here. Just another room. Another good mountain view. And then a very good part, right here, here's another closet.
This kid loves the closets.
Now right here, probably the biggest part of the house, the master bedroom with a huge ceiling too, the fan.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you walk over here, we have a master bathroom And on your right, you also have a toilet. Up to 4 sinks. Right now, there's already 2.
There's only 2, and there probably will only be 2, but there is definitely a lot of space on this.
And there's a tub, and then there's a shower with a seat. And then, no, this is not another bedroom. This is another huge master closet. And if you come over here, you have the best mountain view.
Who doesn't want a closet with a view? And there's your RV park in there as well.
Oh, and one more thing to mention about the master bathroom. It has a ton of cabinets.
Ton of cabinet space. All right, so that is our tour of my newest listing. Like I said, 892 Jill Marie here in Fernley. 892 Jill Marie. Give me a call if you want to see this place in person, or send me a message and I'll gladly preview this or any other home for you. We're doing a lot of things virtually now, just to make it easier on our clients. So I go out to the vacant homes and I walk through them, I film them, and you say, hey, show me that little corner of that room again. Okay, guess what? I walk over and I can do it. Beauty of being able to do these things through Facebook, through Zoom calls and all that other stuff. But I think that's going to be it for this video for now. Thanks for paying attention through the whole thing, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.